Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide the tutorial on how to turn off dialing keypad tones on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. Well, knowing how to turn off dialing keypad tones provides greater control over your device audio settings, allowing you to tailor the calling experience to your personal preferences and the requirement of different situations. So, let's go to the tutorial. Okay, first thing first, open settings menu on your device. Okay, after that, here you can select sounds and vibration. And then look for system sound. Tap on it. Okay, and here you will find many system sound settings. So the way to turn off dialing keypad tones, simply turn this toggle off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off dialing keypad tones on Samsung Galaxy A55 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.